Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on dark mode on the YouTube Studio app. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up the app and click on your profile icon on the top right, and you should see settings near the top, so just click on there, and then at the bottom you should see appearance. So all you need to do is tap on that and it'll bring up three options. So you can obviously select dark theme, so regardless what your device is set up as, this will always stay on dark, or you can change it to use device theme. So obviously depending on what settings you have on your device, YouTube Studio app will have the same setup. So that's how you can turn on dark mode on YouTube Studio. Thanks for watching.